Technology enables fresh ways of work. Benefits depend on our use of this opportunity. Processes we develop to use technology are the core of the transformation. In this section, we go over the key elements of our novel approach to work. We start with a reminder of the achievements of the digital revolution. Then we review its consequences and effects on business processes. Digital revolution had two parallel streams feeding from the same source: advancement in microelectronic technology. One stream was the rapid increase in computing power. The other is dynamic advancement in communication technology. With communication going digital, the two streams intertwined and reinforced each other. Technical development also brought two further benefits. Size of components and equipment and prices dropped. Advances in communication technology made interconnectedness possible. Miniaturization and diminishing prices made computing pervasive. Advancement in microelectronic technology also brought better and smaller sensors. Today, a common smartphone fitting in your pocket has sensors for motion, rotation, proximity, light, fingerprint, a compass, and a radio receiver for navigation. Small and cheap sensors, processors, memory, and communication modules enable the Internet of Things. We can now embed computers in many of our devices to collect, process, and forward data for central processing or use data in place for advanced control functions. Beyond having a powerful computer in our pocket, our car, refrigerator, washing machine, even our light bulbs are now connected. They can all collect data and we can control them or let them control themselves over the Internet. Pervasive computing changes how we cooperate. The change is not only about better ways of communication with others. Interconnectedness and pervasive computing enables the capture of information where it is created. Immediate share of information is also possible. As a result, everyone can rely on the same information even without direct communication between team members. This is not only about speed. By having a single source of truth and shared information, we can avoid many errors and mistakes. We can also correct remaining mistakes fast. There is one important precondition though. Technology only helps if we exploit its potential. If we set virtual barriers to recreate the physical ones we used to work with, we cannot transform. During the first industrial revolution, we developed the functional organization. Back then, this facilitated efficiency by supporting the division of labor. As a side effect, silos emerged. Silos are self-isolating units within the organization with a focus on their own responsibility instead of the success of the organization. Silos are also informal power centers. Once established, they protect themselves. One way to protection is to become a function within the organization who can block vital processes. Silos are powerful. To exploit the potential of new technology, we need a flexible and transparent operation. Functions should become pools of expertise instead of silos. If parts of the organization are not willing to work in a transparent, cooperative way, transformation is not possible. The precondition of successful digital transformation is transparent, open cooperation. Instead of dissecting business activities, we need well-articulated models. Models that help us understand the business activity as a whole. Why transformation is so hard? First, it challenges the status quo. Successful digital transformation eliminates the power base of silos. Second, the transparent operations make errors visible. Being exposed to scrutiny, we may feel vulnerable. But we can also correct errors fast. admitting and correcting our errors can be exercises in integrity. Others will make mistakes too. When we help each other detect and correct mistakes for better results, we develop genuine teams. The ultimate hallmark of successful digital transformation are cooperating teams instead of silos. Managers aspiring to transform their organization need to encourage open cooperation. Instead of rationing resources, they need to develop genuine teams. They strive for contribution should replace protecting silos. Instead of supervising subordinates, they need to coach teammates and work on optimizing processes and eliminate obstacles. So implementing a shiny new application is only the tip of the iceberg in digital transformation. Even teamwork and cooperation are above the waterline. What is below the waterline? We discuss it in the next sections. The basis of digital transformation is a paradigm shift. Outcomes of the digital revolution are only enable a better way to work. Transformation depends on our willingness to adapt. Systems we implement and re-engineered processes are only the tip of the iceberg. Successful digital transformation requires more fundamental change. We go below the waterline in the next section.